In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show rulers in Canva. If you've ever found yourself needing precise alignment for your design elements or just want a little more structure in your creative process, you're in the right place. Now, let's dive right in and navigate through the steps to set up rulers and guides in Canva effectively. First, let's locate the File drop-down menu, which will be your gateway to make some changes. As you hover your cursor over to it, you'll find an option labeled View Settings. Within View Settings, you'll see Show Rulers and Guides. Once you click on it, you'll notice that rulers appear around your canvas. These rulers are incredibly helpful as they let you visually align your design elements with precision. To further enhance your design precision, you can bring out guides from these rulers. All you need to do is click and drag from the ruler bar onto your canvas, and just like that, a guide appears. What's great is that you're not limited to just one or two. You can bring out as many guides as you need for your particular project. And if you ever want to remove any of them, simply drag them off the canvas, and they'll disappear from your workspace. Now, let's circle back to the File menu and look again at the View Settings area. You might have noticed another option called Add Guides. This option allows you to add a pre-configured grid of guides with just a few clicks. When you select Add Guides, you'll see choices like 6 columns, a 3x3 grid, or even a custom set of guides. If you prefer a more customized approach, you now have the power to choose the number of columns and rows, define the gap between them, and set the margins to meet your specific design needs. For instance, if you'd like to have 2 rows with specific spacing, simply enter your preferred values for gaps and margins, and once you're satisfied with your setting, click to add the guides onto your canvas. These grids can help you lay out uniform and balanced compositions with ease. And before we wrap up, there's a neat trick to quickly show or hide these rulers anytime you need. Just use the shortcut Shift-R on your keyboard to toggle the rulers on or off. This is particularly useful when you need a cleaner workspace or want to focus solely on the design itself. So there you have it, a simple yet powerful toolset to help you manage your designs in Canva with precision and ease. Feel free to explore and experiment with these features as you craft your visual projects. I hope this guide was helpful, and don't forget to practice these steps next time you're working on Canva. Happy designing!